Hey there, Assalamu everybody. Welcome back for another amazing video. Today we're going to talk about part 2 to how to make that mashallah money from the metaverse. Okay, so last time I talked about land, some other things, marketing, whatnot. Today we're going to talk about 3 new things. One of the things I really want, that can have a lot of good use case and something that we as Muslims should also be promoting is education. So there could be an actual education center that can be developed within the metaverse where people come in and educate themselves, learn, about anything. You can make an entire university in the metaverse. Now I know this is a little bit more advanced. It's going to take a little bit more development, XYZ, but this is a huge idea. And I know this is a huge idea because I have a friend who owns a huge VR company in Canada and is very successful with this concept. So there's a lot of opportunity in the metaverse with this whole thing. So look into it. There might be something that you do end up doing, and you end up making the first biggest school in the metaverse. And imagine the next 5 years, everybody who's in the metaverse, that could be 30-40 million people, have to go to your school or do something with it, and you can charge for that. Imagine right now you do Udemy courses, you do LinkedIn courses. Now imagine they're in the metaverse and you're in these goggles and you feel like you're in an actual classroom. There's somebody standing in front of you and they're actually also like wearing VR headsets in another part of the world, and they're teaching you something. And because you feel like you're there, you are more attentive. Like it's when you're in the classroom versus when you're learning online. I feel like learning in the classroom is a lot better anyway. So huge opportunity. This takes me to my second point. The other side of this is providing labor in the metaverse. How I was talking about there's going to be a teacher on the other side? Being that teacher or being that laborer on the other side. There's always going to be development and growth and different things that are going to be coming up in the metaverse. So you can provide that facilitation for the metaverse, and you can help, whatever labor requirement is needed at that time, and you can make money from that. Imagine there's an institution. Okay, fine. Let me change up. There's a fashion store that's being set up in the metaverse, and they need sales reps. Obviously they're going to hire sales rep from somewhere, right? And there isn't any bots devved right now in the metaverse, so they will need sales rep, and you can be that sales rep. And for being that sales rep, you can make a lot of money. But I think there might be a lot of opportunities for third world country people who cannot travel, who can't afford to travel, but now they can work in the metaverse and potentially make a better income for their family and for themselves. Number 3 is travel tourism design. So for example, what I mean by this is right now the metaverse is, people are developing on it, people are doing on it, they're making new designs, XYZ. If you have the capability and the capacity to understand this, that you can, how to make NFTs and how to make this, develop on this metaverse, how to make design on this metaverse, you can develop an entirely new world of the metaverse. For example, you buy all this land on the metaverse, right? This comes from the other point. You can connect buying land and all this stuff together, and you design world 2200. It's like, you can design this whole new world of, flying cars, whatever you want to do, right? Whatever futuristic imagination you have, you can develop it, and people would like to live in it. For a second, people would want to check it out, and for them to come into your world or your whatever you design, maybe pay a fee. And if they have to pay a fee, guess you design that. You only have to design this stuff once. Obviously iterations and reiterations are required, but income will be generated on a passive basis. So a lot of opportunity in that regards also. So I think that's 3. I've talked about education, labor, and tourism. I hope you guys like this. I will talk about another few opportunities in the metaverse in the next video. So inshallah, like, share, comment, subscribe, follow, all that stuff. Share this with your friends. Maybe there's friends out there who are capable of designing and have design skills, and you guys can together make a lot of money, inshallah. Take care of yourself. As always, Assalamu alaikum. Do subscribe, like, share, hit that bell icon for notifications. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram for more content. I'll be uploading more stuff in all of these social media websites. Thanks. Take care. Salam.